Cryptocurrency mining is like digging for digital gold, but instead of shovels, we use computers. Imagine a massive, invisible ledger floating online that tracks every Bitcoin transaction. This is the blockchain. Miners are the ones keeping it updated, solving complex puzzles to add new pages, blocks, to this ledger. The catch? Only the first to solve the puzzle gets rewarded with freshly minted Bitcoin. Think of it as a high-stakes game where your computer's brain power is your only tool. The better your computer, the better your chances. But it's not that simple. These puzzles get harder as more people join the race. And while it might sound like easy money, the reality is far from it. You need powerful machines called mining rigs, which are like supercomputers designed to solve these puzzles. These machines run hot and consume tons of electricity, so don't expect to make bank without some serious investment. Plus, the value of your earnings could drop at any moment, making mining a risky business. But for those who can crack the code, the rewards can be massive. It's a competitive, fast-paced world where tech-savvy players battle it out for digital currency. But remember, it's not just about the money. Mining is also a key part of what makes cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin work. Without miners, there would be no blockchain, no transactions, and no Bitcoin. So, is it worth it? That's up to you. If you're ready to dive into a world where technology